everyone. So today is day 43 of my 365 day series where I'm coloring my days red and green. Red if it was a productive day, and if it was not a productive day, and green if it was a productive day. Okay, I'm having Bluetooth. So this is how it is, and the day is 12th of February 2026. Actually, before recording the video, I was thinking what I had done like the whole day, because in the last 3 to 4 days I realized that I'm not able to express, or I'm not able to remember what I have done in the whole day. So I think that was a problem for me, because maybe I was feeling like, okay, I have to record now. Maybe I was that much lazy that I'm not able to recall everything. So before starting the video, I just recalled everything. So I woke up, my parents went to market, as there are wedding seasons now. So for some shopping, I think they went, and I made some aloo ka paratha for everyone in the house. So this is a plus point, I can say. Yes, and the very negative point is that I again stepped out from my that zone, that area where I was thinking that I will not be making any aggression, no, not any comment on anything, not even a back to back conversation with someone. But I did yesterday. It was so horrible for me after a long time that I did, and maybe I need to keep it really, matlab, I need to keep that zone or that area tight, you can say. Because if I am taking a step and like just crossing that line, so it's too much. Like, I cannot control what I'm saying, I cannot control what I'm thinking. So I think this is not good. And yesterday I did this. If I made something for everyone, still I did something wrong. So I will count that also. Then I went to Mausi's house, and it was a not a very brief conversation or sitting with her. It's like, I think, about 10 to 15 minutes. After that I came back and I recorded some of my reels or shorts, you can say. Then I yesterday I went for a walk with my friend also. Sorry, I just had my dinner, that's why. I walked with my friend, and after a long time, she always asks me, Sonal, please come, please. And I'm like, okay, okay. But still, we are not able to meet, because sometimes I don't realize, sometimes I don't see that I'm having a notification on my phone or there is a call, because every time it's on mute. So that's why. So yesterday, I was having some kind of work with her, so that's why I just uh, like texted her, okay, we will meet today, fine. And then we had a brief walk of around 1 hour. She was telling me all the things that are happening in her life, because she's stepping out from her home daily, because she's a working girl and I'm not. So that's why I don't have a lot of things to say. So I was just listening to her and thinking, okay, just giving some of the uh, you know the experienced lessons that I have learned. As she was talking and she was like, this happened, that happened. So I was like, okay, this is okay, this is not okay, this is how you have to react. Like a friend, I was just guiding also her and also listening to her, that whatever she is saying. So it was a good kind of a walk and talk, you can say. And then after coming back from home, I had my dinner, and it was like roti, kadhi, and dal. Yes, yesterday, sorry, I had 2 bowls of dal soup. As in soup, I just drink it like this without any roti. So, which is kind of a very different thing I did for the very first time, and that to be of 2 bowls. So it was really good. Then in the night, I talked to my brother. It was a good talk also, and the thing I realized, that when he was talking to my mother, so he was like, where is Sonal? Like, he also wants to talk to me. Then he cut the phone from my mother phone, then he called me on my phone. Like, it's like I am too much attached to my brothers now, both of them. If I'm showing them, if I'm not showing them, that's a different thing. But I think if someone is asking me that who is the most important person right now, so I will say my brothers. Both of my brothers are really important for me. And this is all. So my 43 day 43 day is kind of both red and green, so half of the red and half of the green. So this is how my day was, and I'm happy that at least it's not red after consecuting 2 red days, so it's half red and half green, which is okay, and I'm happy with it. And let's see what the other day brings. And I'm feeling that my face is fluffy somewhere, I don't know why. Even I'm having something in my neck, like there is a problem, I don't know, but I'm feeling like it's swelling or there is something. I have no idea, but that's okay, totally fine. So this is how my day was, and it's a good energy, but that moment when I talked back, that was not good. I realized it later after the conversation. Like instantly I realized it. It's not like in the evening or after some time. No, it at the moment. Then I shut out my mouth that okay Sonal, now you will not speak even a single word. So after that I didn't speak and I was back in my zone. So that's how my day was. And thank you so much if you are watching my video till here, because I know I'm not getting any views or subscribers or any more. So I'm trying my best, and it's okay, fine. It's not today, not tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. One day there will be. But I'm having this fear also that if something happened to me and my channel got just monetized and just something happened to me, then what will happen? Now I'm having thoughts like this also. But okay, no problem. Bye.